Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve a twist out on 3B to 4A hair. If you would like to see it, just keep watching. So we're going to start off with some things you will need: some clean hair, comb, pick, and a vent brush so to comb out your hair, some styling gel and foam, spray water to keep your hair damp, and some perm rods. Also, I'll be using a soft hood dryer for the first time. Not sponsored by them, so I just want to try it out this time. Go ahead and detangle your hair. Part your hair in the desired parts. Now you want to section the parts off to keep the hair out of the way. I actually do my twists this way because I like them to frame my face, but you can do them however you would like your hair to fall when your twist out is done. You'll need some gel for your edges. Now take the styling foam and put it throughout your hair so the curls will hold. And go ahead and start flat twisting your hair. And like I said, I do it toward my face so they can frame my face. But if you don't like yours like this, you can twist it however way suits you. Then I will add the perm rod to the end to make my ends curly. So now you'll just repeat this process again throughout your hair until you're done. Now on this side, I actually redamped my hair because my hair is actually really hard to get through when it's dry. So I just used some moisture to get through it, and now I'm parting it off again. Smooth your edges. And you'll notice here I'm going to twist toward my face. It's going toward the opposite direction that I did on the other side, but I still want it to frame my face. All right, so now I'm gonna try a soft hood dryer. This is my first time using it. You just hook it up to your normal hair dryer, but you have to use it on a low heat setting. Y'all, I had so much trouble with this. Maybe it was because I didn't read the directions. Next time I will, but I'm so lazy, I just don't. But I had a lot of trouble with it. Make sure you're using a low heat setting when you connect it to your dryer. So after trying with this for a while, I couldn't get it to stay on my head, so I had to call my sister to help me with it. She basically told me I did it wrong and that I had to strap it up under my neck. It has a strap so it can hold it down. So I guess. So I tried that and it worked. Make sure your hair is really dry when you're taking it down. If not, your twists are not going to come out right. My hair was almost dry, but I'm so impatient, y'all. I just went ahead and took it down. Be very careful when you're taking it down because you don't want to get it tangled and it freeze. So just be really careful and gentle when removing the twist. All right, once you're done, you use a pick so the parts won't show, and then you're done. I hope y'all enjoyed this mini tutorial. If you liked it, just subscribe and I'll be posting more content later. Thank you for watching.